How to transfer data from Samsung S8 to S24. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to transfer all your data from a Samsung Galaxy S8 to the new Galaxy S24, quickly and easily using Samsung Smart Switch. Let's get started. Step 1. Install or open Smart Switch. On both phones, open Settings. Go to Accounts and Backup, Smart Switch. If it's not installed, download Smart Switch from the Play Store. Step 2. Prepare the connection. If using a cable, recommended, follow these steps. Plug the USB-C cable into both phones. On the S24, tap Receive Data. On the S8, tap Send Data. If using wireless, on the S24, tap Receive Data and then Wireless. On the S8, tap Send Data Wireless, then connect to the S24. Step 3. Select what to transfer. On the S8, choose what you want to send. Photos, videos, contacts, messages, apps, and more. Tap Transfer. The data will now begin moving to your S24. Step 4. Wait and finish. Wait for the transfer to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on the amount of data. Once done, tap Done and enjoy your new iPhone and enjoy your new phone with everything compiled. And that's it. That was the step-by-step tutorial on how to transfer data from a Samsung S8 to a Galaxy S24 using Smart Switch. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next time.